Have you personally seen anything that you considered kind of creative or just an interesting story of how somebody used their reverse mortgage?
Kind of the cool ways to use it that I don't think gets thought of enough is there's the line of credit option that you have with the reverse mortgage, and that line of credit grows over time. So whereas typically with if you were to take out a line of credit on your home, right? You're going to qualify with the bank. They're going to say, "Here's your line of credit for $100,000." Cool. You use it, you have a period of time that you can use it, and then it's done, you repay it and it's free. Um, for a reverse, you take out the initial, $100,000 as a line of credit, but you only use maybe a little bit of it, right? So you have $90,000 on that line available to you. Each year that line grows, the any amount that's not used. So um if you use I saw somebody do they took out the line of credit, the reverse at, 62, 65 early, but didn't use it. Well, 10 years later that line had doubled, all right? So they started with 200, 10 years later they had 400 of available line of credit that then they could draw on at will for covering whatever they wanted. So, um, and still had all the equity, right? Because the free any unused portion is not owed.
Mhm.
So if they don't use it, they still have most of their equity in the home and it's good. But if they do need it, now it's an extra 300, 400, 500, $1,000 sitting there that they can use for end of life expenses, for in-home care, for vacation, right? That they can draw on that line of credit, um, which is a huge, huge win that I don't think gets considered enough as prep.